So, few words about who we are. How many of you are familiar with ZAPTEST? Have you tried our products? No? Not yet? You heard us, you probably get in our marketing materials and presses, right? So, we are full stack test automation technology. With ZAPTEST, you can automate application on the mobile, Windows, Mac, Linux, and we fully support agile development. I'm a member of Forbes Technology Council. I represent testing for Forbes. We're local here in Atlanta, our office in Buckhead. And our core technology, it's a one script, which allows us to automate test procedure once and execute it anywhere. All right? We've been in the business over 20 years. Gil mentioned Mercury. I helped Mercury Interactive to design Quick Test Professional in the past and the business process testing tool as a field advisor. We started as a Mercury. We had a nickname of the SWAT team. The mission of my team was to deploy early adopters that Mercury was developing, working with R&D in Israel, and flying back to the United States and other countries to do high-end implementations. So I acted a lot as a product instructor, as a process implementer, different hats. But we helped, and we've been on the very front line of the test automation in the past. With the time being, we started to develop our own add-in that was augmenting the Quick Test Professional for cross-platform testing, and then we evolved in the product company as a ZAPTEST. So today we're offering our solution on the enterprise level as a combination of software and services together. But we do have a free edition, and this is what we're popular for. We have over 100 downloads every day worldwide. We have tutorials and workshops. Similar workshop, what we're going to be covering today, we have recording online. So if you like to build your skill set around test automation with ZAPTEST, you can download and do properly yourself.